Bands is Mr. Neil Ruby. Associate Director Amanda Osley. Band Instructor is David Trumbull. Principal is Sean Patrick Tobin. Superintendent John Zauner. Booster President Ryan and Teresa Stewart. Music Arranger is Brad Pearson. Drill Designer David G. Weinberg. Booster Presidents Ryan and Teresa Stewart. Percussion Director Chris Osley. Percussion Instructor David Carroll. Our Drum Major Instructor is Kristen Huckaba. Visual Ensemble Director Philip Berryhill. Visual Ensemble Instructor Jennifer Morgan. Our Drum Major is Miss Emily Lamb. Assistant Drum Major Brooke Gordon and Ariel Jones. Our Band Captains are Catherine Lindahl and Julia Splithorpe. Percussion Captains Beth Saxon and Sean Morris. Visual Ensemble Captains Whitney Parker and Victoria Outlaw. The Central Carroll Marching Pride is one of the most recognized band programs in the United States, earning over 250 superior ratings, 150 class placement awards, and 21 grand championships in the past 11 years. The Central Carroll High School bands have received letters of commendation from both Governor Sonny Perdue and Governor Roy Barnes and 2 resolutions from the Georgia State House of Legislature. The Marching Pride was recently presented with a prestigious Certificate of Merit for Marching Excellence from the National Band Association. The Central Carroll Indoor Winter Guard was the 2009 gold medalist in the SAPA Circuit Championships and a semifinalist in the WGI World Championships. Central Carroll will represent the state of Georgia and the southeastern United States in the 2001 Tournament of Roses Parade in Pasadena, California. Tonight, our 2009 show is entitled How the West Was Really Won. Central Carroll will be featuring music from Home on the Range, Silverado, Blazing Saddles, Shenandoah, Hoedown, Dueling Banjos, 10 Little Indians, William Tell Overture, The Good, The Bad, and The Ugly, Turkey in the Straw, Ken Ken, Desperado, and the Magnificent Seven. One more message, Graham, to read. To the Central Carroll Marching Pride from Mr. Ruby. I am so proud of each and every one of you. You have come so far this year in such a short period of time. You continue to amaze me with your talents, your dedication, and your unwavering commitment to this program. I'm even more amazed by the genuine love you have for so many. Philippians 4:13 was my father's life verse, and I also see that in this band daily. I am truly the most blessed band director to get the opportunity every day to work with the most supportive administration and parents, and most of all, the best kids in the world. Thank you so much for being the people you are, and for the pride you have in your school, your community, and your band. You are an inspiration to so many, and I love you so much. And oh yeah, we are going to Pasadena. And one more thing, let's get ready to rumble. Ladies and gentlemen, here come the Pride.
Anything at all. Your fault, my fault, nobody's fault. It don't matter. I'm gonna
turn you into ketchup.
Simple as that.
state of Georgia, wrestling for the Central Cross Racing Boys.